Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing video. So here you can see in my web page, here is the login page. So today we are going to make login page like this. You can see a beautiful login page like this. Here written login, heading, and then username, password, and box login button. So when I click on username, see the length of the input box has increased. So again I will show you. I'll zoom you and I will show you. When I click on this username, the length of this input was increased. When I click on password, the length of box will increase, and username box length will decrease. So you can see beautiful animation and login hovering effect. So like that we have made. So here you can type your username Becodewala, then password 1234, and here you can see the password also and login button. So like that we are going to make our login page like this. So to make this we are going to use HTML and CSS. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our code. So here is my HTML file, and then here is my CSS file. So first we go for HTML file. So in HTML file I have written the basic structure of my HTML. In that I have taken the title, login page, and then I have linked my CSS file. Then here in body I have taken form tag, and in this I have taken class box, and in this class box one method I have taken post. Then in h1 tag I am taken the login. Then input, I have taken three inputs, one for text, username, type should be text, another for password, type should be password, and placeholder password. Then another is submit button and value login. So like that we have made. So then come to our body tag. Body tag I have taken margin and padding 0 and a background color code this. Then you can see the box class. Here is the box class you can see. So for that I have taken the display should be flex and justify content center, and align atom also be center, and a flex wrap should be wrap. Then width 202 pixel, 212 pixel, sorry. Then padding 40 pixel, and position absolute, and then margin 155 pixel, and from margin from left 39 rem, and this background color code for our box. And then text align should be center, and border radius 40 pixel, and a box shadow 3 pixel 3 pixel, and 3 pixel blur with this color code. So now we are going to style input boxes for password and username. For that we are going to style. So here in width I have taken 150 pixel, and a text align center. Whatever the text will be in center, and then display should be blocked, and a margin 20 pixel and auto. Then padding 10 pixel from all the sides, and outline should be none, and a color of the text will be white, and border radius, sorry, border will be 2 pixel, and this color code for our input, and a background should be none, and border radius 30 pixel, and transition 0.4 second. So then here box shadow 0 1 0 3, and this black. So now for h1, that is login here. So for that, color of the text white, and text transfer form uppercase, it should be in uppercase form, and font weight 500 pixel. Then for the text and password, when we focus on it, if we, then width will be 200 pixel, and color, border color will be this. Can show you when I focus on it. See, its length is become 200 pixel. Before is 100, then it become 200 pixel. So now here for type submit, input type submit, we are going to style. So here width 95 pixel, and text line should be center, and display should be block. Then margin 20 pixel and auto, and then padding 10 pixel and outline none, and a color of text is this, and border 2 pixel solid with this color code, and background should be none, and border radius 30 pixel, and a transition zero point 0.4 second, and a box at a 1 pixel 2 pixel from vertical horizontal, and this color code for the box shadow. So then here type submit, when you hover on it, the text of the color should be this, and the background color become this when you hover on our button. So come to our page, I'll show you again. So here when I focus on it, see, if this length become 200 pixel, and can type any username. Here you can type password, and then here the login hovering effect. So, and this you can see box shadow. So like that we can make a beautiful login page like this. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friend. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with a amazing project. So thank you. Keep supporting